got Petron against PLTT this afternoon as our first offering in our Grand Prix presentation here on ESPN 5. Alam, sumisigaw na ako dito. In the meantime, what is our score? We're at 1 apiece. Now, year last year for Petron. That one, there we go. Maganda energy nito, ha? Good soft touch on that big. Di makulangan. Attack Bell! Bring it down!
That was a low set to Cat Bell. But no problem. Pag nakikita mo ulit yung approach niya, yung hatak ng kamay.
And then with the touch. Oh, yes, sir! So that he attacks. Back row taken care of by Banton. Oh, yes, sir! Lazard knocking it down there.
You know what? Napaka-importante ng ginawa ni Lazard.
Oh! At ito ho yung value ng having two in-courts. So downstairs, they'll have to dig it over. Here comes the set by Rhea.
Obvious decision there for Cat Bell, going cross-court, one blocker in front of her, defending that down-the-line hit. Easy peasy, set point. Iba talaga yung
Personada ng mga attackers mo, Bell with better defensive showing here in the second set. Towards the end of that first, middle we go. Nabor gets to it. Marcone makes it a set. This is on the money. Lugar no? Smarts lang talaga eh. Oh! Power!
Always what you want, like what you mentioned, ganun kaganda yung start ni Cat Bell, pero slowly umiinit na siya towards the latter part of the third.
Today. Oh! Ganti-ganti lang yan!
Yun naman pala yun.
Samantala, wala na, power na ito. Nandidiin na yung ali.
Saka nagising na rin talaga.
Malo. Tusok na tusok! Winner!
As well, Nabor and Santa Rita. Kasi yung talo ni Nibor talaga mapapagtibabawan yung dalawang to. Pero yung...
Tala. Oh! Reyes joining the party. Getting to be a rout here. Nagkagulo ang Petron. Defensively, it's still alive. And on the money with Nimmer knocking it in. Parang at home si Stephanie Nick. Oh, pinatasan.
You know, one of the things na maganda din na pinakita ng Petron, pag nagsaserve sila, they would always...
Nice stop that time. Nice done.
Better play, better...
Perfectly done. First set. And naguluhan ako doon. Bigla akala ko back row eh.
Oh, what a cut. Overset na yun coming from Portillas. But again, you can see the adjustment coming from Stephanie Nick.
That'll work.
Good rally effort coming from setter. Oh, there you go.
Buhay pa. And it's a twine na. Yun. Pwede siya magpa-party dahil doon.
Winning point.
Yun yung pwede iyabang mamaya sa mga kakampi. Ang dali lang ako, pero may silbi ako.
Pero ako yung nagpanalo.
Yan.